Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today let's make some delicious hot chocolate. Nothing is more comforting than a cup of delicious hot chocolate during these harsh winter nights. So before we start making our hot chocolate, please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Do share this with your family and friends, it helps a lot. To make the hot chocolate, in a bowl, here I am taking 2 tablespoons of raw cocoa powder and 1.5 tablespoons of corn flour. Add 3 tablespoons of milk to this and make a thick paste of these ingredients. If we add cocoa powder and corn flour directly to the milk, there is a good chance of lump formation which we don't want in our hot chocolate. So it's better to make a paste of these ingredients beforehand. We are adding corn flour to the hot chocolate to make it more creamy and thick. Depending on how thick you want your hot chocolate, adjust the quantity of corn flour. This is ready now, keep this aside. On medium flame, place a saucepan and add 500 ml of milk to the saucepan. Heat the milk on medium flame until it comes to a boil. Add in 2 tablespoons of sugar. Again, adjust the quantity of sugar as per your taste. Now is the time to add in our prepared paste into the hot milk. Keep the flame on low while you are adding the paste to the milk. By using the measurements I am showing you, you will be able to make 4 small cups of hot chocolate. After adding the cocoa powder and corn flour paste, keep whisking the milk with a fork or a whisk to avoid any lump formation. We'll have to heat the milk on medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes more just to activate the corn flour so that our hot chocolate thickens a little. You can see the milk is piping hot. Now is the time to add in our dark chocolate compound. Here I have taken half cup of dark chocolate compound. Adding this will enhance the taste of your hot chocolate, making it even more chocolatey. Do not disturb the milk for 30 seconds after adding the dark chocolate. As the milk is very hot, dark chocolate will dissolve very easily. Use your whisk to combine everything well. That is it, remove from flame and serve hot. As you can see, we only need a couple of ingredients to make this delicious cup of hot chocolate. And the best part is you can make your hot chocolate as per your taste by adjusting the proportions of these ingredients. Do try this very tasty recipe during this winter and let me know how it goes for you in the comments. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time, bye!